This is the monthly What's What. Hurricane season is officially over. 2020 has been quite the year with the most named storms on record, as well as being one of the top 10 most extreme Atlantic hurricane seasons ever. This is determined by calculating the ACE, or Accumulated Cyclone Energy Index, which accounts for the intensity and longevity, not just the number of storms. The ACE for 2020 ranks 6th highest among all years dating back to 1966.
As we enter into the winter season, one thing that might be on everyone's mind is snow. However, it appears that temperatures across the United States are expected to be above average, making for a more mild winter. What might cause these conditions? La Niña. Since November has been mild, it may indicate similar conditions persisting throughout the winter. During La Niña years, northwestern parts of the United States typically have the most snow, while other regions have a lot less.
Unfortunately, the US had to shut down the huge Arecibo space telescope in August. A supportive cable snapped and left a 100-foot hole in the 1,000-foot reflector dish of the telescope. This past month, another cable broke, causing more destructive damage. The destruction is too great to repair safely. The NSF has planned to decommission the site. This will end its 57 years of astronomical discoveries. Petitions are going around online to prevent the shutdown.
Friends of the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, a nonprofit organization, purchased a 67-million-year-old fossil pair known as the Dueling Dinosaurs. The iconic pair consists of a remarkably preserved T-Rex alongside the bones of an equally intact Triceratops. At the dinosaur's new home in Raleigh, North Carolina, researchers will observe the fossils to see if there are any signs of combat-related damage.
An asteroid the size of a small house almost hit Earth on Friday the 13th of November. No one saw it coming due to the blinding light of the sun. It wasn't until 15 hours after it passed when it was detected by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System survey at Mauna Loa Observatory in Hawaii. The asteroid skimmed by at about 240 miles from Earth. It set a record for the closest documented non-meteoric asteroid pass versus the Earth. It would not have done damage and would most likely have disintegrated if it entered our atmosphere.
China launched its third moon lander, Chang'e 5, to land on the moon to collect rubble and dirt samples. Its goal is to collect 2 kilograms of material. It'll be the first samples of the moon that the world has seen since the Apollo era. The lander will have 2 weeks Earth time, or 1 lunar day to complete its work.
That concludes the monthly What's What. Thank you for watching. Watch Mr. Weather's World for exciting new videos every Mr. Weather Wednesday.